We're making brown butter pound cake. So in the bowl I have already is brown butter, coconut sugar, but you can use any sugar you like. But I'm doing a combination of coconut sugar and white sugar. 1.5 cup of coconut sugar come out to 255 grams. I like to weigh all my ingredients. I'm going to do white sugar, and that'd be 1.5 cup. That comes out to 300 grams. Okay, we're going to beat this until nice and fluffy. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. This is about 5 minutes of beating. You can see it's nice, light in color. Now we can start adding our egg. You can do 1 at a time or 3 at a time. Just make sure you scrape the bottom of the bowl. Make sure that's all beat in. Once your egg's incorporated, we're going to add the baking powder and the flour. So it looks really good. Let's beat it for a few more minutes. It's so important to have a great flavoring for your pound cake. I use Lorian butternut and my homemade vanilla. You see, this has been extract from real bean. Oh, it smells so good. So definitely a tablespoon of vanilla, and just like half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of butternut, and actually really whatever flavor you like. Now we're going to turn down the beater. The egg is nice and fluffy. Now we're going to add the extract. I'll do the butternut first. A tablespoon of your favorite vanilla. I'm going to put in the baking powder. Now we're going to add the flour, alternating with your milk. I'm using buttermilk, but you can use milk as well. So make sure you shift and measure your flour correctly, and then add in your milk. So you just alternate back and forth. And make sure you end with flour. And now we'll bring up the beater. Let it beat for a few minutes. Make sure you scrape the bottom. So make sure you scrape the bottom. Sure you get the bottom well, and beat it until all the flour is incorporated. Don't over beat it too much. Okay, this is about 2 minutes of beating, and it looks great. Okay, you want to grease a pound cake pan and flour it so you can flip it out easier. And look at our batter. Nice and thick, and the brown butter, look at it, makes it nice and brown, and also the coconut sugar makes our batter brown. Okay. Let's put this in. Okay, so put the whole batter in here. Now we can put it into the oven, and you don't have to be a preheated oven, it could be a cold oven. So a cold oven, you want to put it right in the middle and into a cold oven. We'll bake at 325. Okay, bake at 325, and 1 hour later, let's check. Ooh. 1 hour later. Let's see our pound cake. Looks good. Okay, let's check the temperature. Make sure it comes out clean. It's at 208 and comes out clean. So it's done. We're gonna let this cool and we'll flip pound cake out. Look at this. Doesn't that look great? Look how beautiful this pound cake came out. Nice even color. See, you don't have to have a preheated oven. You cook it right from cold oven. So depending on your oven temperature, so anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour plus some. So you just have to check it. Wow, look at how moist this cake is. Look at that. What a moist cake. Still warm? Let's have a taste. Full of flavor. Delicious. The brown butter, the vanilla. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.